How do you stop worrying? You stop by remembering this. The power you need to face anything in your life is already inside of you. It may not feel active right now. It may feel dormant, hidden, unreachable. But when the time comes, when the moment arrives, that strength will rise. The version of you will be born right in the doorway of the moment you need it. So much of our worry comes from trying to live every possible future all at once. We ask ourselves, how will I handle that challenge? What if this happens? What if I don't have what it takes? But the truth is, you are not meant to be hold every version of yourself at the same time. You are not meant to be the fighter, the healer, the lover, the teacher, and the maker all in one moment. There is a season for each. There is a time for everything. And when that time comes, the part of you that is needed will awaken. The human spirit is the fiercest force on this planet. It carries the same energy that moves oceans, that grows forests, that spins galaxies into being. That same force is inside of you. You don't need to worry about whether it will show up. It cannot be rushed, and it all cannot be wasted. It will rise when you call on it, and never a second too soon. So, the next time you feel consumed by worry, remind yourself, I don't need to solve tomorrow with today's strength. You only need enough for the step in front of you. And when tomorrow comes, a stronger version of you will be there, born for that exact moment. Worry asks you to leave all the seasons at once. Trust invites you to live in this season, this moment, knowing that the next version of you is waiting, ready to rise when needed. Here your challenge of the day. Write down one fear or worry that you keep replaying. Then remind yourself, I don't need the strength for this right now. The moment will bring the version of me that can handle it. Say aloud, the strength I need will rise when the moment calls for it. So breathe. You don't need to carry every possible tomorrow within you right now. You don't need to embody every version of who you might become. You are not behind. You are not unprepared. You are alive here in this moment, and that is more than enough. When the next door opens, when the next challenge comes, trust yourself. The strength you need will rise because it has always been inside you.